Yes, please. So here I have a function, and I have the area under this graph. Here's a property. The integral from f of x dx from a to c. Would you agree that this must be the same with the integral from a to b from f of x dx plus the integral from b to c from f of x dx? Would you agree that this area is this area plus this area?
Yes.
Good. So keeping this in mind, I just want to illustrate with one problem. Simple one. So we're given, this is number 5 on page 425. So we're given a function that is a piecewise defined function. Negative x minus 1 and negative x squared plus 4x plus 5. And this one is for x less than negative 1 and for this greater than or equal to negative 1. And they're asking us to find the area under the graph on negative 6 to 4. So as you see, there is a negative 6 to negative 1, first of all, and then there is a negative 1 to 4. On negative 6 to negative 1, I have this function, but on negative 1 to 4, I have this function. So they're asking us to find the integral from negative 6 to 4 from f of x dx. How do I write it? Any suggestions? Anyone?
Minus x squared over 2 minus 1x.
So we have to break it up at negative 1. So I have the integral from negative 6 to negative 1 dx plus the integral from negative 1 to 4 dx. What is this from and what is this from?
Isn't the top one from negative 1, or not negative 1, negative x to negative 1
Absolutely. And this one?
is negative x squared plus
That's
4x plus 5.
And since I'm running out of time, I'm just going to do this with the calculator real quick. I'm using 9. And the first one is between negative 6 and 1. I'm sorry, negative 1. And the function is from negative x minus 1 dx, don't forget. And then plus the integral from negative 1 to 4 from the other function, which is negative x squared, and then plus 4x, and then plus 5. And of course, don't forget the x. You will not accept it without dx. And press enter. Done. So 45.83.